Hey, I am live. Let's see if anyone comes into the room. I'll keep practicing this at least. Wow. I hate this. Okay. That was horrible. What am I doing? No source selected. I do not know how to change the properties of the stream here. That's funny. What even this virtual camera? Let's mute is. What to say I'm doing, I wonder. Oh, that's not good. I'm not doing much Super Mario 3. Let's see, Deluxe. Stream information. Hassa. No, I don't want that there. Look at the actual sheet music for that crap. I don't think that's what I want to do. I want to add a window capture. There it is. Window capture. Okay. Window. Okay. So let's see what we're going to do. Well, you know what? Screw it. I will do a display capture, and it is going to capture secondary monitor. There we go. Too big though. We want to. Well, let's put that right here. Bam. And I am going to put myself down here and in the corner. Yo. That's what I wanted now. There's no text. Let's see. Like more I'm going to do. Okay. Now, first of all, I don't think I have VirtualBox yet. Let's get VirtualBox. A microphone right there. That's good, I think. Yes, one VirtualBox for Linux. You know what? No, I just want VirtualBox. Yeah. And while that's going, we'll go to Debian. We want to download Debian. So we're gonna install VirtualBox because I don't feel like, oh boy, that's loud. I do not feel like running Linux off my PC directly because Windows is already there. I'm missing Python. I could set up a development environment directly on Windows, but whatever. I don't feel like installing MingW and whatnot. I want to just have it work. Linux is nice like that. It just works. Well, the development aspects of it. I wonder if I should announce my stream on anyone. What the fuck am I doing? Come on, get this shit out. I am stupid. Did this finish installing? Sorry, I was missing some other stuff. It did. Okay, so we're going to make a new machine. It's going to be our Debian machine. Yeah, sure, that's all cool. 1 core, let's give it 2 cores. 2 cores. 8 gigs of RAM. I could do this in my head, but I don't feel like it. Remember, there's a difference between throughput gigabits and Seriously. Throughput and storage. 1,000 megabytes. Fine. Fine. Is it 8296? Is that what it is? Let's see. Megabytes. Gigabytes. 8296. $89. Let's see this. Okay. We want to use for gigabits. Yeah, it's gigabits. Okay. So this should be gigabit, and I need 8 of them. This would be 1,000 bytes. What the fuck is this doing? Whatever. It's 8296. Why? Because I said so. Well, I guess I can show anybody that wants to see this why. So it's 2 times 2 equals 4 times 2, 16, 8. Then 16, 32, and this goes so forth. So that's 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024, 1024, that's 2096, let's see, 2048, then 4096, which would give us 4 gigs, and then 81 something, let's see, 8192. So this would be 8 gigs of storage. 8192. So I was off. 8192. Next, 20 gigs. Sure. Wait. Do we have to add disk? Whatever. Finish. Now, where is our? Really, it doesn't have a disk drive? No, cancel this. I want to add a disk drive to this. No. Settings. Storage. There we go. And we want to pick the thing that we downloaded. Let me start at the virtual machine. Let's see how this goes. Yeah. Graphical install. Coffee. Do you want this in English o lo quiero en español? Host name is NixDiv, whatever. Main name, local. Root password. No, that's not what I want. Okay, try it again. Seems like they're off. I'll be extra careful when I type it. Setting up the clock. La di da di da. I do not have a singing voice for it to save my life. If someone had a gun against my head and told me they're going to pull the trigger, or I could sing a song, well, I'd be dead. Gotta sing a song, gotta sing a song. Song, 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 song. Why is this over here? I want this over here. Let's see if any of my buddies are online right now. I guess. Yep. There's stuff you can do with this if you're setting up like for real servers so that one thing doesn't use up your entire disk, but it's not what we're doing here, so. Installing the base system. This will give you the shell, so it'll just be text terminal, no GUI, no spiffy anything, and you can install whatever you want later. Right now, need to decide which desktop I'm going to want. I usually like LXDE or XFCE. You know, some of the lower impact GUIs rather than something like GNOME or KDE that are, have a heavy footprint and use up a lot of CPU cycles that are useless just for eye candy. Although with GNOME, it does come with nice tools that you can use, like the disk management one. It sure is lonely today. Almost there. Unpacking forward. Yeah, we don't have another disk or anything. So, yeah, we're in the United States. Sure. I don't have those memorized by heart, so. Configuring apt. Streaming files. My internet speed probably isn't the best, so it is what it is. When I was an alien, cultures weren't opinions. You gotta find a way to find a way when I'm here. You gotta find a way, better way. Just because you're paranoid don't mean they're not after you. You gotta find a way when I'm here. What does this do? Up, it's doing more stuff. Select install software. Nah. We're not going to do anything all that interesting on here, are we? Do I want to go with GNOME, XFCE, LXDE, LXQT? Screw it, I'll go with GNOME. I'll mess with this shit later. Got this goatee growing. 7 minutes. God damn it, I knew I should have gone with LXDE. Well, it is what it is. Let's get Notepad++ in here. I forgot I already have that. What's this doing? No, I just want the download. Come on. Why doesn't freaking Windows come with Vim? Do they have Vim for Windows? Even Cijuan? I wonder if Cijuan does it. Where's Cijuan though? Come on. What the crap? Okay. And I want Vim and SDL. You have to compile it, of course. An hour? God damn it. I guess I'll do some else. Oh, but let's install the JDK or... a fucking hour. God damn it. Stupid gnome. Yeah, I should get back on my guitar and practice that shit. I've studied Java and C and C++, and I've never used most of it. I've only ever used PHP on the for production stuff. Kind of hate that. I don't do. Yes, I'm checking my phone because no one's in my chat anyway, so what the fuck does it matter? What am I doing on my phone? The Wordle. Ooh. Wow, it's taking fucking ever. Let's see how the GDK did it already install. You can tell by Javik. It looks like it did. Awesome. Now let's see what plugins. That's what we want. Install. Let's test this. Language. What language do we have? I didn't want to. Okay. We're going to do this in Java. Public class. And this is hello world. Public static void main string args. System.out print line. Hello world. Classic. If you've never done the whole hello world program, you never learn how to program. That should be good, I think. We're gonna file save this as hello world. Put in my documents, maybe. New folder. Java apps. Save. Now let's see if this actually runs. Run. Program to run. Come on. Compile. Okay, looks like this needs some settings. Is this seriously gonna be like gonna tell me there's an error. Okay. The Java home property is empty. Detected invalid. So like if I do this, is this what it means? I'm gonna Google that real quick. I don't know what that means. Well, it's Notepad++. Good old Stack Overflow. How to do this shit in Windows. It's on Unix system, Windows system. Okay, select the G. Right click my computer, select properties, environment variables. Properties. Advanced system settings. And then it's for environment variables. And I have to add a new one. It's Java home. Browse directory. Seriously, where is it? the program files. It'd be under Java, JDK2. Let's get an old one. That's on. Oh, whatever. I'm pretty sure it's that. Now, if this runs. Wait, maybe I have to restart that. How's this doing, by the way? You piece of crap. Taking for fucking ever is to do something. Ah, yeah, there you go. Shift and F9. And that's what we get. So now what we want to do is a GUI. Java GUI programming. Sure, let's do this tutorial. Screw it. This is the important part. And we will do this down here. There you go. And this one right here. Move these right here. Import Java. No, that's not the one that we want to do though. We're going to do Java X. You can do this one, but it's older. Java X, though, I forgot what it was. JFrame. Swing components, there we go. Java X with Swing. Well, that's a good thing, but here you go, tutorials. Come on. See, this is the reason I wanted to use Linux, so I could try SDL out. On Windows, I'd have to jump through some hoops to get SDL to run. Does this have like a C programming one? Introduction to Swing. Swing tutorial. Things to know. Blah, 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 blah. Give it to an example. Swing.asterisk. Okay, you know what? This isn't working. Tweaks in JFrame. Let's see. And so we do 800 by 600. Let's do it. Salud! Salud! I believe this is correct. Sorry, it's just I need to use it. Man, I wish I had a third screen right now. Get used to the good stuff, you know. Does every 3 schools have a Java tutorial? They have a C, C++, C#. How do you not have a Java tutorial? Come on. ASP? You have fucking ASP? Java. Java methods, Java file handling. Data types, blah blah blah, math, booleans, loops, methods, classes and objects, modifiers. Yeah, let's do this. Just give me a fucking thing. Okay, so I wasn't too far off. So we don't need to extend this at all. Okay. Just set default close operations. And let's go ahead and add a label. I could do the thing, but it's just a tutorial, so why type out all the comments? Alright, reinforced training. Okay, let's go back. Display the window. Okay. So now here, get rid of this line. Oh, right. It's not that anymore for some reason, because Java just gets better and better. Create an anonymous class that implements the runnable interface. So we have to define what run does. So we'll create the frame. Now, if this is correct, oof, that wasn't correct. I expected this or this. Okay. Here it is. Yeah, that does this. Okay. It doesn't really return anything, so it's just going to be a void. I'm so used to freaking PHP, which is just like, just here it is, run. You running it? It runs. Good. Can that be? Is this supposed to be static? Does the tutorial say static? Alright, it is static. Okay, make it static then. Oh, static just means that you can run it. Okay, nothing happened. Oh, here it is. Where is it? Oh, it's way the hell over here. Okay. Let me make this thing bigger so I can actually drag it. Hello world. So anyway, static. A static method means that you can call this method without having to instantiate the class. So you don't have to do like this right here where you create a new object. You can just say, you know, class name dot static method, and that runs. Has its purposes. Let's see. How is this coming along? Still going, huh? Well, he's just not downloading software anymore. Now he's just installing it. Now that I have that, okay. Java, draw a circle. Java FX. What is Java? I forgot what Java versus Java FX. We're reading some of it, but then they changed what it was. Java and JavaFX are both programming languages used for developing software applications. While Java is general purpose, JavaFX is primarily used for creating user interfaces and graphics in desktop and mobile applications. Here are 6 key differences. Well, the next question is Java FX worth learning? 2024. 7 months ago, man. Yeah, everything's going web-based these days, so a lot of what I learned went out the window. So it creates a ball with its components. Uses Java NWT and so we need a class that extends the paint component. Extends JPanel. So we need to create our own custom JPanel. Okay. Oops. Let's see. And this is what we need. Let's just copy this right here. Why reinvent the wheel? And it's fun to do it, but if I'm gonna be copying and pasting anyways, it's gonna draw several circles. Let's get rid of this code right here. Haha. I'm not sure this is going to run the first try, but screw it. What are we going to lose? One error. Oh, right. We actually have to import those classes to do it. Alright, we have this convenience method that they use to draw a circle for some reason. It uses graphics. Okay, let's see what the package does. AWT, we need the graphics object. I can use the graphics 2D. I just want the summary. Okay. Draw shape. Okay, so we have draw shape. Let's go back to this. First of all, so we have this graphics 2D. Okay, we have this graphics one, but what we need is a x2D shape. We'll call G2 equals. And we're gonna cast this one into that one. Yeah. Okay. Then what we need is a shape, which is draw 3D rect. So we need a shape object. Okay. It's in the WT. We want a rectangle 2D. Okay. Do we want rectangle 2D or do you want circle 2D? Ellipse 2D, of course. Well, for now, we're going to go with rectangle 2D. Now, let's see the constructor for that thing. It was right around here. Oops, wrong one. Rectangle 2D. What is the constructor to this thing? Structure. What is that? So then we have to set something, right? Okay, we can use the rectangle 2D dot double. Let's go 0, 0, 200, 200. We want to set this. Graphics 2D. We want to set the stroke. Jesus fucking Christ. So much abstraction. So much abstraction. Summaries. Create a stroke. Well, it's just that. Let's just draw that triangle. Let's see what happens. Worst that can happen is it'll crash my computer. Jesus Christ. This used to be so much easier, I think. How fucking hard can it be to just draw a square? Alright, but it's just a Java FX. That's not what we want. Okay, so what errors is it giving me? Error failed to compile JavaX code. 2 errors. Okay, so rectangle 2D isn't found, which means I probably need to include that package. Rectangle 2D is java.awt.yum. int. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of this. We're just gonna write here 0, 0, 200, 200. So that's a DOS window. There's the square. Why isn't that size working? Let's go back to have an X-wing, and we're looking at J-frame. J-frame right here. I can set the tail like that, but what I want to know is, how do I set the size of this thing? Set size. God damn it, do a weird ass thing. Okay, so let's see if this does it. Oh, nope. Okay. So it looks like we have to do set preferred size. Okay. Looks like that worked. Okay, so so this, let's see how this is doing. Yeah, let's do that. So I think that what we want to do is thread What I don't remember is how to. Oh, where's thread kept at? Does this thing have a search thing? I don't know. All classes. Timer thread. Okay. So we're going to do a private function. It doesn't return anything. It's going to be colorful. It takes a graphics 2D object called UR2D. No. So it's going to is there a color 2D object? Let's check. It's just color. It's just color, of course. Color. It's going to be 3 floats. An integer with an RGB. Creates an opaque sRGB. This seems like it'd be easier. Between 0 and 255. Okay. Well, let's do the first thing. Okay, so we have these 3. So draw rect. Yeah. 0, 0, 200, 200. Okay, so now what we need to do is we get random values of this. Hey, it is finished. Oh, since somebody's actually watching, so nobody will care. I just finish setting up my environment and move on. build essential. Let me look. Welcome to TB. Next. Yeah, that's fine. You can skip this. And what about the terminal? Terminal. Perfect. First thing I'm going to do is really? I mean, it's a playground, so it doesn't matter, but I'd rather know how to do it. Add user sudo. Okay. Do this. Yeah, this is taking a good bit. I wonder if this is throttling the network. It's not. It feels like it's slower than it should be. Maybe I should do bridge to adapter. Might just because it's a virtual machine. Yeah, it really is fast, slower. It's a weird thing. I like Vim. Okay. Yeah, I'm not to change that thing to bridged. Everything in Java is an object. Let's see what random gives me. Random, okay, I'm already random. So I just do an extent. Okay. Wait, this is static, or do I have to instantiate? I have to instantiate. Okay. That's fine. It gives me an integer, but what are the bounds for it? Okay, so I have to put here that it's said it was inclusive or exclusive. Exclusive. Okay, so what that means is that this has to be 256. Do I have to create the thread, or I hate not knowing if something is is static or needs to be instantiated. That's thread. Okay. Let's see if this works. Well, that's good, I guess, right? Need to set fill color. Okay, so graphics 2D. It's in the set, and we need to set paint. Set stroke. Set color. Okay. Well, it sort of ran. I doubt that'll do it. I'd be fucking surprised if it doesn't. Nope. Well, it is what it is. We're done with this for now. I was just practicing that stuff. Okay, so we have Vim. Let's open up a new tab. Now, void means different things depending if you're using C++ or C. This is C, which means that you're not including any parameters in that function. And for C++, void would be type that, like parameter type. It'd be a parameter type void. The classic hello world. And we need to return 0 because there was no error. Right, quit. ECC. Oops. And of course I deleted it because I'm an idiot. But hey, screw it. There's no harm in typing stuff out again. That's gonna bug me not returning that because there should be a new line character there. There you go, hello world. I think I'll end shit here. It's not like anybody's watching, but I'll raid someone. Who am I gonna raid? I'll raid that lady. RT Marxist. I'll see you guys are around, even though me, myself, and myself. And I am going to stop.